19 minutes after the noon hour, and sending it over to Storm Team 4 meteorologist Brian Niznansky. We are certainly not alone here in the Midwest for having some bone-chilling cold and some other snow effects here with the wind.
Absolutely, yeah. We got the windy conditions, and you have bitter cold wind chills. They're going to get worse heading into tonight. But, yeah, we're not alone. I pulled up the Midwest advisory map here. These are all the winter alerts, various colors here on the map. You have a winter storm warning down towards Tennessee. Nashville could see over 6 inches of snow. You have lake effect snows on the other side of Lake Michigan with a strong northwest breeze. Winter weather advisories for lake effect snows across portions of the UP and far northern Wisconsin. And then you have this teal color and even in a darker, I guess, grayish blue to the northwest. These are wind chill warnings and wind chill advisories. This is where wind chills tonight are going to go 40, 50 below zero. For us, we could see some wind chills maybe close to 20 below zero. Currently in West Bend, we have a temperature of 14 degrees, and you see some pavement now in downtown West Bend. It's been pretty sloppy and slushy out there. We have partly cloudy skies, but kind of a haze out there too, and yeah, we're getting some flurries now here across southeastern Wisconsin. Interesting sky. There's not much of a cloud layer aloft in the atmosphere, but right at the surface, we have flurries and a little bit of moisture with some cloud cover. So 17 degrees, the current temperature in Milwaukee. Current temperatures across southeastern Wisconsin, 9 in Beaver Dam, 15 in Fond du Lac, and 16 over towards Port Washington. Then you factor in the wind. Still feels like 7 below zero in Waukesha, 3 above in Milwaukee. Let's go through the weather headlines now. Again, still a little bit slippery on the rural roads where you have cold temperatures and still some blowing of the snow. Arctic air mass in place, keeping an eye on a chance for some freezing drizzle Saturday. Now again, some clouds and some flurries popping up here on the Storm 4 Max radar. Flurries now over towards our western spots as well, and future forecast showing the chance for flurries or very light snow showers through the afternoon. As we head into this evening, still a chance of a stray flurry overnight tonight, though the skies break apart. We'll look for some sunshine on Friday. Sunny but cold day expected on Friday. Friday night and into Saturday, maybe a few more clouds developing across the area. Saturday starts dry. Saturday afternoons when we could see that freezing drizzle. All right, your forecast for today, the rest of today. Again, a chance of flurries or very light showers. 18 for your daytime high temperature for tonight. Decreasing clouds, low of 3 in Milwaukee, 16 on Friday. 32 on Saturday, so warmer, but that freezing drizzle possible in the afternoon. Then another blast of cold air. You got 20 for a high on Sunday. That's early. In the afternoon, it will be colder than that. A low temperature of 2 below Sunday night, 12 on Monday, up to 33 on Tuesday, and 26 on Wednesday. So we got a few cold days here on the 7-day forecast, Vince.
Can't take my eyes off that -2.
Yeah, and you know, -2 in Milwaukee could mean like -10 out in Waukesha.
Well, that'll be a cold morning for us here, Brian.